Here's what moved markets today. US equity markets reached new record levels, led by continued strength in artificial intelligence and technology sector stocks. The advance reflects sustained investor interest in AI infrastructure and semiconductor companies during the current earnings cycle. Bitcoin declined below the $70,000 level during the session, with corporate treasury holder Strategy disclosing its first Bitcoin sale in several years. The company's divestment represents a notable shift from its sustained accumulation strategy that has characterized recent quarters. US spot Bitcoin ETF products recorded an 11-day consecutive outflow streak, with cumulative net redemptions totaling approximately $3.45 billion over the period. The sustained institutional product outflows represent one of the most prolonged redemption sequences since spot Bitcoin ETFs launched in early 2024. Avalanche Blockchain recorded over 60,000 transactions during FIFA World Cup ticketing operations, with the network processing digital ticket issuance and transfers for the tournament. The activity reflects institutional adoption of blockchain infrastructure for large-scale event ticketing and authentication. CME Group's extended hours cryptocurrency derivatives trading recorded over $50 million in volume within the first several days of operation, following the launch of around-the-clock futures contracts. The activity reflects institutional demand for continuous crypto derivatives access outside traditional exchange hours. Strategy's recent Bitcoin sale generated approximately $14 million in disputed prediction market contract resolutions on Polymarket, with participants disagreeing on the interpretation of contract terms relative to the disclosed transaction. The dispute reflects the complexity of defining precise contract parameters for corporate treasury events in prediction market structures. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:20 Central European Time, the market shows significant divergence with strong moves in both directions. NIR gaining 12.57%, NIL adding 12.25%, and Bitcoin SV up 5.11%. Double-digit strength across Layer 1 smart contracts and zero-knowledge infrastructure, alongside mid-single-digit gains in legacy payment chains. On the downside, Stellar leads decliners at 11.35%, with Ethereum off 6.85% and liquid staked ETH declining 6.07%. Double-digit losses in yesterday's leading gainer, alongside mid-single-digit weakness in smart contract and liquid staking infrastructure, with the magnitude of losses broadly matching the strength of gains. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index declines to 30, dropping 3 points from yesterday's 33, and continuing the downward trajectory deeper into fear territory. The deterioration reflects the combination of Bitcoin declining below $70,000, Strategy's first Bitcoin sale in years, and the historically extended ETF outflow streak, now totaling $3.45 billion. The index has now fallen from 39 to 40 to 30 over the past 2 weeks, approaching the 26 to 28 range that represented the worst defensive positioning of the year in late March and early April. Market psychology continues deteriorating, despite occasional positive sessions in individual protocols, with aggregate sentiment unable to find a durable floor.